We have two types of flooding happening right now. We have the river flooding, which Seth and Kara have been covering here the past couple of days. Plus, on top of that, we also have some flash flood warnings happening. Here's a look right now on radar just to the right of me. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in to the north of I-10 area because that's where most of these storms are going to be hanging out here for the next couple hours. By this afternoon, these storms, so you guys know, will be falling further to the coastline. So yes, Houston, you are going to be getting some of these thunderstorms. But I just want to show you here these green lines. That is a flash flood warning. To give you some more information on these, they are going to be in effect until noon. For instance, this one happening for Harris, Liberty, and Montgomery County. We also have another flash flood warning happening for Harris, Liberty, Montgomery, San Jacinto County until 10:30 this morning. And this is one of those situations, Maggie, where you just do not belong on the roadways because only 6 inches of rushing water is enough to take a car and just float it down the river. So everybody, please take heed to these flash flood warnings, especially if you are north of I-10. And Maggie, you see all of the lightning strikes. That is just intense storms happening. We did have some severe thunderstorm warnings earlier this morning, but overall there was just 1 or 2. Now, I do want to talk about this significant flood happening still for our rivers, and this is a look at the Trinity Basin where we have 2 gauges in flood territory here in our area. So here's a look at that river flood warning for the Trinity River, and there's Dayton Lakes where Kara is. We have 2 gauges right now. The purple means major flooding happening, and then for that orange, that means we have some minor flooding. So all the different gauges have different stages right now, but I do just want to quickly run through here. Trinity River, you'll see right here that Liberty one we've been watching all morning long. It is going to crest later on at 31.2 feet, Maggie. So we still have rising levels along the Trinity River. San Jacinto's, though, those will be going down here in the next couple of days.
Oh my goodness. Good news and bad news. Thank you so much for breaking it all down for us, and everybody, please stay safe out there.